Hello everyone! At the outset, let me greet you a very good morning. By the way, I am James R. Manitalia, and I am from the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines. So, I am here in front of you today to convey what I want to share to you about hurricane. So, we all know that there are lots of disasters that is happening in the world, and we can stop them for the fact that they occur naturally, and it's in nature for the world to experience it. One of the occurrences that happen in the world is the occurrence of hurricane. Are you familiar with this? But before, we need to know first, what is hurricane? So hurricane itself is a storm with a violent wind. It's a large rotating storm with high speed of wind that forms over warm waters in tropical areas. But did you know that hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones were just the same? Yes, they were just the same. But the difference between the three is their names and the place that they occur. They are all the same thing. Tropical storm. In the North Atlantic Ocean and North Pacific, they are called hurricanes. But if the same type of disturbance takes place in the Northwest Pacific Ocean, then it is called a typhoon. And in South Pacific and Indian Ocean, cyclones is the correct term. So, that's the map between typhoon, cyclones, and hurricane. So, how does hurricane occur? Here's how it occurs. Hurricane form over the warm ocean waters of the tropics. When warm moist air over the water rises, it is replaced by cooler air. The cooler air will then warm and start to rise. This cycle causes huge storm clouds to form. And that's how hurricane formed. Hurricane is one of the most devastating natural disasters in the earth. With its violent wind, which can cause great destruction, and storm that causes flood, it really had a very big impact to human lives. They can do much damage. Wind can damage houses, trees, properties, and even damage vegetation. If the hurricane doesn't destroy where people live, then the major flooding after hurricane might. It's not just humans who are affected, but also animals. Just like what happened in Puerto Rico, where Hurricane Maria struck them, that plunged all of its 3.4 million residents. That's how devastating it is. So, let us then know how it affects the economic growth of the country. When hurricane occur, it also affects the vegetation. Severe storms often dampen economic activity in the short term by disrupting the consumption of production of goods and services. By this occurrence, science has then studied this kind of occurrence. A new discovery was created in order to predict and track hurricane. So, we have now the satellite. We also have the reconnaissance, aircraft, ships, radars, and others that tracks and predicts hurricanes. So, who is then the one who studied about hurricane? It is Christopher Columbus, who sheltered his fleet from a tropical cyclone or hurricane. He is the first European to study hurricane. So, we already know that hurricane is a narrow occurrence and is in nature to happen on Earth. We can stop them. The only thing that we can do is to mitigate its impact to the lives of the people by simply being prepared all the time. Just like Mike Levitt said, that the big lesson he learned from a hurricane, that we have to be thinking about the unthinkable, because sometimes the unthinkable happens. That's all, and thank you so much for listening.